morning students. Today we discuss 14th lesson, paper 2, 194 page. Rise of Nazism in Germany. Rise of Nazism in Germany. Germany economy faced a severe crisis after the war. After the First World War, one after, economic conditions of the Germany is very poor in condition. It is saddled with burden of paying war damage. At the same time, very bad expression timing it is because of the repayment of the war expenditures. Because already winning war countries in World War I, they are laid down more taxes on Germany, such as penalty of the war starting, war damages cause penalties money, war expenditures. All these are paid by Germany. This is done by the Treaty of Versailles. These conditions we observed so much that the German government began to print currency, not to printed currency notes on a large scale. This is a result in unheard of the inflation. If the economic crisis or any countries, if started to print new currencies without their foreign exchange currencies, not having this country exchanges, thus country currency is insulated. That means inflations. That means its value is decreased. This is the biggest problem we observed. Today also in Tanzania, which one the African countries. So most of dollar they printed, that value is very less. Such conditions we can observe on the time of World War I after in Germany. It is said that the people had carried the currency of the cart to buy one loaf of bread. One loaf of bread purchasing, much of currency they need to carry. Such conditions on the time is there. USA at this time staged the help to bail out of Germany by giving loans. Germany helping hand given by the America by giving the loans, and at the same time what are the repayment of the war expenditures are postponed, rescheduled the payment of war damages. This helped the German economy to stable by 1928. At the same time, however, this was a short-lived. USA itself deeply affected by the onset of the Great Depression. America is also affected by the Great Depression 1929. That's why up till then, America has helped to the Germany. But 1928 after, America also not helped to the Germany because of the Great Depression conditions. So Germany economy was worst hit by the depression by 1932. Industrial production was reduced 40% of the 1929 level. Before 1929 level, how much of the produce they are produced? Sachin Man in 1929 after 40% production is reduced. Due to this, unemployment is increased in Germany. Most of the German youth turned as unemployed. So the workers lost their jobs. They were paid reduced wages. The number of unemployed touched on the unpretended 6 millions. One of the streets, Germany, you may could see men with placards around their neck. They saying, "Will to do any work, will to do any work." This is the one of the placards are they are in their hand, and the street corner they are standing. They are ready to do any work, though they are well qualified in any professions. So these kind of unemployment conditions. Today, Corona, how you are affected the people. Such in conditions, people are losing their economic wealth, and what are the sources are also lost. That's why the people, most part in employment sectors, you can see people are ready to work any other work also. Such today, how the Corona affect people's unemployed youth facing such in conditions, or we observed in 1929. On the street of the Germany, you can see the men placards around their neck and saying, "Will to do any work." Unemployment youth played cards simply at sat on the street corners. And disparately unique of the local employment exchanges, a job card disappeared. The youth to criminal activities. and totally despair became the commonplace. The economic crisis created a deep anxiety and fear of the people. All these things, day by day, the German people has the purchasing capacity is losing. That's why the middle classes, especially salaried employed and pensioners, saw their savings dismissed when their currency lost their value. Small businessmen, the self-employment and retailers suffered along the business got trended. This section of society was filled with fear. Fear of the pauperization. Pauperization means poverty. Caught by the pauperization, that is caught by the poverty. And the anxiety of the bearing, they reduce the rank of the working classes. The worst is still unemployed. Only organized sectors could be get some of the employment. Today we can see in India, employment sectors, organized sectors such as government employees, very happy. But unemployment sectors, most part in unorganized sectors, see, you can observe most of the people are unemployed because they are in unorganized sectors. There is no salaries are fixed. There is no working conditions better in manner, and their jobs is also not guaranteed. All these conditions are very poor in conditions. From this part of the Hitler speech, we can observe Hitler argued that right of the most powerful race to conquer the world. Through the German speech, what are the most part of the German Hitler? Hitler in his speech he says Germany race is the born to rule the world. That's why from his speech we can see, for this earth is not allowed to do anyone nor to present as a gift. It is awarded by the providence of the people who are their heart have to courage to conquer, the strength and preserve it, and the industry to put on the bluff, and the primary right to world, right to life. So far, one possesses the strength for this. Hence, the basic of the right to vigorous nation will always find way the adapting the territories and population size. So these type of activities we can observe in the part of rising of the Hitler in Germany. So this is the previous section. Germany in the part rise of Nazism party situation is like this. So managed to keep their heads to above the water, but unemployment weakened their bearing of bargaining of the powers. Big businessmen also war also crisis. The large mass of the peasantry was affected by the sharp fall of the price in the open market. Women unable to fill their children's mouth. So we are filled with the sense of the deep despair. These caused actually political instability of the government in the Germany. After the government collapsed, they could not provide the stable rule. You can see poor conditions on the times. In such situation, Nazi party was propaganda stirred up and hoped the better future. Hitler was its unquestioned leader of 1928. After Nazi party not to get more than 2.6% vote in the Bundestag, the German parliament. But in 1932, it have become the largest party with the 37% of the votes. Okay, tomorrow part I will explain for you tomorrow. Thank you.